what does it mean when you actually dream of your twin flame, when you see your twin flame in your dream? What that means is your twin flame and you share one consciousness. So, in your subconscious mind, if there are any blocks that you are unable to see, unable to work through, then your higher self will do the favor of showing those blocks through your dreams. A lot of times, this is a very helpful tool. Just before sleeping, when you are in your bed, you can just talk to your higher self and say, can you please send me the dream so that I can work on it and remove the blocks necessary that are blocking me towards my harmonious union? So, this is the best thing you can do just before sleeping. You can talk to your higher self. You can just say it out loudly and know that your higher self has made a note of it. And when you are up in the morning, the first thing you should do is keep a diary next to your bed. As much as possible, even before opening your eyes, try to retain the memory of your dream. And you can say this to yourself just before sleeping as well. I choose to remember my dream when I wake up. God, my higher self, please allow me to remember my dreams so that I can work on it. As soon as you wake up, before even opening your eyes, feel your feelings. Dip into your heart space and feel your feelings. How do you feel about the dream? That's more important than actually what the visuals were. And if you remember the visuals, note them down as much as possible. Note them down. And if there's a big story, then you can just record something, an audio to yourself, so that when you're fresh, when you're ready, you can access that and start, pinning it down. What's going on in the dream? What was given to you? Were there any symbols? Were there other people in the dream? Was it uncomfortable? What were the feelings behind the dream? Symbolically, as well as the story, as well as what was conveyed to you. Sometimes there is a direct message. A close relative of yours or a relative that's passed away might come in your dream and give you a message. And that can be a very direct message or does need a further interpretation. So when you sit down and write those elements down, make sure that you're feeling your feelings and use the mirror exercise to heal any blocks or upsets that arise from the dream. And once you do that, you'll be able to crack what your next steps are. It is more like you are cracking a code, like, that movie, Da Vinci Code, where you understand the symbolisms and you put things together, just like an oracle card reading. You put things together and you know that God or, the higher self in the universe are trying to convey a message to you through your dreams. So I hope this video has helped. Subscribe to my channel and do check out the resources in the description box below. I do offer one-on-one coaching and group coaching. I would love to work with you and take you further on your twin flame union journey. Take care. See you. Bye.